Good morning. Imagine waking up with the sun, feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. Today, let's talk about the power of waking up early and how it can change your life. Waking up early is more than just getting a head start. It's about finding clarity, setting a positive tone, and embracing the calm before the world stirs to life. Research shows that early risers are often more productive, focused, and even happier. But the benefits go beyond just getting things done. Waking up early gives you time to reflect, plan, and set your intentions. Start your morning with small rituals, drink a glass of water, open your curtains, and breathe in the fresh air. This helps you refresh your mind and body after hours of rest. Next, try moving your body. Whether it's yoga, stretching, or a quick walk, early morning exercise boosts your energy levels and gets your blood flowing, preparing you for the day ahead. Take a few minutes to reflect. Journaling or meditating in the morning helps clear your thoughts, reduces stress, and brings focus. It's your time to check in with yourself before the day demands your attention. And don't forget a healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with nutrients that keep you energized and use this quiet time to plan your day. Prioritize tasks, set achievable goals, and break your day into manageable chunks. This way, you're not just reacting to what's thrown at you, you're in control. The best part of waking up early? You get to witness the beauty of a new day. Sunrises are a gentle reminder that each day brings fresh opportunities, a chance to start again. So, what are you waiting for? Challenge yourself to wake up early, even if it's just 30 minutes earlier than usual. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish and how much better you'll feel. Waking up early isn't just a habit, it's a lifestyle that brings balance, focus, and success. Rise with the sun, and watch how your life transforms. Wake up early, seize the day. Your future is waiting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and productivity.